Well, thank you for joining us here on Wilderness Weather. I'm meteorologist Thomas Gathright here on the evening of December 1st, 2025. Main storyline right now is these winter weather advisories that go from Arkansas all the way up to Maine. Even have some winter storm warnings for parts of New England up there. And as we for central and western Virginia, we got a winter weather advisory as well. And as you can see, there's some cloud cover starting to work into the area here as the system approaches. And a lot of areas in central Virginia have already fallen below freezing to right around 30 degrees. And the Shenandoah Valley and certainly some areas of higher elevation have already dipped into the mid to upper 20s. And this winter weather advisory for much of the state and on into West Virginia and Maryland and Pennsylvania. This will begin at 1 a.m. and will last until noon tomorrow. Now, the main concern with this will be the ice for us. Not really looking like much of a snowfall accumulation. Maybe a trace of snowfall, but looking at potentially 5/100ths of an inch of ice, under a tenth of an inch of ice for the Piedmont and along the tops of the Blue Ridge and a little bit farther south towards Lynchburg and on into the Shenandoah Valley. You could have about a tenth of an inch of ice and maybe even a quarter of an inch of ice right along the West Virginia border there in Allegheny County, some of the highest elevations. But we'll take a look at just what the precipitation looks like over the next few hours and on into tomorrow. Got some around 1 a.m. Going to have some wintry precipitation working into southwest Virginia, and around 3 a.m. that'll head on into central Virginia as well. You can see towards the south there, it's more rainfall. Towards the north, it's more wintry mix, sleet, freezing rain. And as we head on into around daybreak, that's 6 a.m. there, 7, 8. That's where it's going to transition over from freezing rain to just plain old rain. But that's a tricky time because that's when most people are on the road trying to get to work between 6 and 8 a.m. So please be careful out there tomorrow. I would recommend just leaving 15 minutes early. Take it slow. Don't drive fast. Be very careful of icy patches, and just be prepared and leave early tomorrow if you can. And then after that, we're going to transition over to plain old rain for much of the state, and that'll clear out by 1 or 2 p.m. tomorrow. So not a crazy winter storm for here in Virginia, but definitely just want to take precautions. Be careful out there tomorrow morning, and we'll keep you posted. Thanks, and have a great and safe